Hi, this is Tom English. I'd like to show you the Ariba Query Tool. To use the Ariba Query Tool, log in to anrc.ariba.com. From the ANRC console, select a product or service, then select a build, and select Inspector from the Build console. From Inspector, select a node, and then choose a realm. Click Apply after your selection. Next, select a cluster root. I will select the User Common Core. From the AQL window, enter a query statement against the cluster root selected, and submit your query. The results for the simple AQL query statement entered displays every field and every user for the cluster root entered. Further information can be found by drilling down deeper into the information. Base ID and user realm information. Let's modify our query statement to obtain less results from the cluster root. Let's look for Ariba users that are Ariba managed. And as you can see, the results have been narrowed down. Let's query another field and obtain external users for this build. Another nice feature of the query tool is Show SQL. This generates SQL statements. There are many more features and benefits of the AQL tool. The AQL guide will help you with executing query statements and processing the results. It also has query examples. The AQL guide can be found in the Developer Tutorials from the Bootcamp homepage.